Today on Gather and Celebrate, we are making the most delicious, juicy, crumbly, buttery, blueberry crisp you have ever tasted. And it's coming from what I'm calling my new kitchen Bible, Martha's 100th Cookbook. And this is perfect for dinner parties because it is super quick to prep, or you could just whip it up on the fly because it just takes about 5 minutes and it will leave your guests thinking that you have been cooking in the kitchen all day long. Let's start cooking. So start by preheating the oven to 375, then combine flour, butter, both sugars, cinnamon, and salt. I began cutting in the butter with a pastry blender, but soon decided using my hands was the best option. Pour the berries into a baking dish and top them with the crumble, then into the oven. Bake until the topping is golden and the berries are bubbling, about 35 to 40 minutes. So you can top it with homemade whipped cream, but my personal favorite is vanilla bean ice cream. This dessert tastes like summer, feels like comfort, and looks totally elevated. If you're planning a dinner party soon, you should grab my ultimate dinner party guide below. It's free. It's filled with thoughtful tips on how to be a truly amazing hostess. I use the Maslow's hierarchy of needs to make sure that all of my guests feel cared for no matter what the budget or style. You can grab a link to that below. And if you want the full recipe for the blueberry crisp, I will also link Martha Stewart's 100th cookbook below as well. And I'll see you in the next episode.